Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser, and in my case it would be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it. And all you have to do right now is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, you can remove particular one just by tapping on X button right next to it, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. But if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing data, just tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And if you are happy and if those options are enough for you, just tap on Clear Data. If not, just tap on Advanced right here. And here we can also remove saved passwords, auto-confirm data, and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So that was a misclick. So if you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it will be marked. So I would like to remove saved passwords, so simply tap on it. It is marked. Also to other options. So if you are ready, just tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history has been cleared successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.